Hi, my name is Mark with AFT Construction, and here we are at Project Worth the Wait. We're working on grading for the slab, and as you can see, the guys are working away, compacting the AB material right here. We're already at the point of, we've got the stems poured, and now we're getting ready for slab, so we're doing all the work necessary, ready to get that slab poured. So currently, like I say, we're grading right now. Right after this phase, we'll come in and we'll do the vapor barrier, and then followed by rebar, and then we can go for termite retreat inspection and eventually get that concrete poured. Right here, you see we have a benchmark. This is my finished floor elevation, the top of this rebar. So everything is surveyed up at this point right here. And you can see in the distance right here, they have their laser set up. So everything right now is based off of this point to get that finished floor elevation. They can go the 4 inches below for the AB material. So we'll end up pouring a 4-inch slab. Further out there, the guys working on the garage area, so they're going to obviously slope that down towards the garage doors, so that will not be a level surface. These guys right here, they're currently digging out the interior footings. So once the concrete gets poured, it gets poured right on top of those interior footings, which essentially is going to be load-bearing walls that sits on top of that area. So right now he's setting his elevation of exactly what he needs right off of the benchmark right there. And then he'll take that piece of equipment right there and go over to where he's working at to get the exact elevation that he needs. So here you can see we have the stems. The stems are poured on top of the footings. We showed you the footings in an earlier video. Now we're at stem, and you can see we have all the hold down bolts in place. We have some of the hold down, the hangers, which you'll see when we go over to the other side of the house. So right here we have a doorway that comes out of this bathroom right here. And you can see I've got this marked with orange paint. So this is to let the guys know when they pour the slab, we're going to recess this top part of the stand back a little bit. That way the threshold of the door can hang over just a little bit. And the pavers, once we do landscape, the pavers can go right under the threshold, which gives it a nice look. So here you can see we have a different hold down strap. These are the Simpson STH D14 straps, and these are typically connected on the shear wall right to the king stud. If we walk further in here, you can see we have these depressions. These ones are obviously interior footings where there's going to be load bearing. This one right here is going to be a slab depression for the shower. So we will hold this down 4 inches from the normal slab, and that way we can do a nice walk-in tile that does not have a curb step into the shower. So as you can see, he's using the equipment right there that comes right off of the laser back there. He preset from the benchmark and got his finished floor elevation. So what he's doing is making sure we're still at the finished floor. When you hear the solid beep on the reader right there, that means he's at the elevation. When it beeps, beep, 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 that's when he's getting close. When it's a solid beep, that's when he's right on the mark. Here you see we're standing right next to the garage area right here. They're currently working on the grade, on the height. So typically in a garage, you want that floor to slope out towards the end of the garage doors. That way any water can roll straight out of the garage. So you can see, obviously, we're complying with dust control. The guy's watering down everything as we go. Here on the back wall of the garage, you'll see it's a little higher. So this is called what we call a bumper. So this will sit 4 inches higher than the actual garage floor. So the bumper is pretty much where your car wheels can hit without you driving into your wall. This is Mark, and I am with AFT, and thank you for stopping by and checking out the build for Worth the Wait. Please follow the channel and keep up to date on where we're at on this build.